Today we will discuss about how to create a LaTeX template for reports, how to add references, title page, appendix, chapters. First of all, we will define a document class, backslash document class. Here we set paper size A4 paper, comma font size is 12 point, and here is we set is a report. Now we define our package, use package of APA site. Next we define document, begin document, and end document. Now we write our title page, begin title page and end title page. Centering, we can use a command, same is centering. Here is a centering, and next we define title. Here we use a huge command for large for the large size of our title. Here is for bold, BF, series, and title. Now we compile it. Here is our title, and here is our title. Now we put a space, backslash, v space is 1 centimeter. Now we put our name, its size is large, font size large, and your name. We will compile it. Here is your name. Here R is missing. Double backslash, again put here space, v space is 1 centimeter. Now we write our university name, large, department of math and stat UAF. Recompile it, and at the end double backslash. We also use vfill. Now we put the date, is today. Here is our title page is ready. Now we'll move to another pages. Here we set is page numbering, is page numbering, is Roman. For next pages. Okay, and now we define a abstract by reducing a chapter. Here is star, and we write here is subtract. Recompile it. Here is our abstract, and here is our page numbering in Roman. Now we define another chapter is acknowledgement. Simply compile it, simply copy it, select it, copy it, and paste. Here we write is acknowledgement. Here is acknowledgement. Page 1 is abstract and page 2 is acknowledgement. Now we define a table of contents. Table of contents. Here is a table of contents. Here is a list of figures. Here list of tables. Here is the contents. Here is a list of figures, and here is a tables. Now we start its main matter by using a clear page command. Clear page, and we define page numbering. Page numbering is in Arabic. Page number is in Arabic, and now we define chapter's name. Here is a file. Would create a new text file which name is chapter 1. Chapter 1. Here is created, and now we include here is chapter 1. Include backslash include. Here is a chapter 1. We have included chapter 1. Simply we go to chapter 1 and write something. Here is backslash chapter star chapter 1, and now we add another command. This is add contents line. Here is a talk. Here we add chapter, and here we add chapter of 1. Now our chapter 1, here is our chapter 1, and also it will show on contents. If you want to also shows a list of figures, list of tables, and abstract and acknowledgement also shown contents. Simply we copy it, copy it and go to main file. Simply we put here control plus C and right here is abstract, and also paste here, and right here is acknowledgement. Simply we recompile it and check our contents. Also contents included abstract and acknowledgement. Now we will discuss about how to put references. Simply we define command bibliography style is apacite. Its package we have already defined on top. Here is its package is apacite. Okay. Now apacite is bibliography style is apa, and bibliography now we define our bib file. First of all we'll create our bib file. Simply we go to here and its name is my bib, in this place of text simply we write is bib, bib. Created it and we go to here. Simply here is my bib. Now we want to put here references. Simply we search, go to Google Scholar and search some papers. For example, we want to discuss about PDE. Here is the PDE. First paper is this LaTeX. Control plus A, control plus C and paste here. Now go to main text. If you want to put its reference is after chapter 1, we simply put here is site. Here is a site. I will recompile it. Here is the references and here is our desired references. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.